Are you ready to serve up a steady, relentless stream of high-quality content that people actually stop scrolling to watch? Just imagine snapping your fingers and instantly transforming a long, complex match, a boring conference keynote, or a sprawling interview into a massive stack of snackable, high-energy clips. You can achieve all of this without ever having to wrestle with complicated After Effects templates or begging a busy developer for a slice of their API time. It sounds like a total dream, right? But that specific type of high-velocity workflow used to be completely locked behind expensive agencies and massive dev teams. Thankfully, times have changed, and now individual creators and lean newsrooms can finally run that same elite play without the enterprise price tag. Think about major global events like tennis championships, the World Cup, or massive product launches where the audience is absolutely starving for fresh video. The pressure on content teams is universal because everyone demands high volume, blinding speed, and professional broadcast-level quality. Fans want those timely highlights the second they happen. Editors need that broadcast polish, and social managers are desperate for consistent daily publishing. You cannot simply churn out boring slideshows or crudely glue together rough clips and hope for the best results anymore. You absolutely need dynamic, data-driven content that looks premium and reaches your audience faster than anyone else. Let me level with you. Some teams try to solve this by building deeply custom pipelines from scratch. They use After Effects for the visuals, hooking it up to complex render farms and APIs to automate the entire production cycle. That combination absolutely works, and you have probably seen global brands use it during major tournaments like the FIFA World Cup. They tracked fan reactions, heart rates, decibel levels, and match stats to feed into templates that pumped out branded, animated graphs non-stop. The output looked incredibly slick and generated massive reach, but there is a major hidden catch to that entire setup. The rub is that the setup is incredibly heavy and requires motion designers who speak fluent After Effects and devs to maintain endpoints. It is powerful for the giants, but it is not built for the day-to-day grind of a creator or a small agency needing dozens of clips per day. Enter Vizard, which takes that same idea of automated, high-quality, data-aware video output and packages it for people who need to move fast. Instead of a giant, expensive development pipeline, Vizard uses advanced AI to find the absolute best moments in your long videos. It is not about replacing your professional tools, but giving you a practical, low-friction way to scale your output while keeping it totally on brand. So how does it actually work in a real workflow that is relevant for sports, events, or news coverage? Picture this. A full hour-long tennis match gets uploaded to the platform in minutes. Instead of someone sifting through hours of footage, Vizard's auto-editing scans the match to detect engagement peaks, cheers, and player reactions. It identifies the biggest moments like breakpoints and celebrations, trimming them into short clips that are perfect for Reels, TikTok, or Shorts. It prioritizes virality signals, which ensures you get the specific clips that are most likely to hook your viewers in those critical first 3 seconds. But the magic really does not stop at just the clipping process. Scheduling is usually where most teams fall down, but Vizard's auto-schedule feature is a total game changer for your workflow. You can set how often you want to post, whether that is daily or hourly, and the AI will automatically space out your clips for optimal reach. There are no calendars to manage manually and no missed windows, meaning your content hits feeds exactly when fans are most active. And because social strategy isn't just posting but also planning, Vizard's content calendar wraps everything into one manageable place. You can easily see what is scheduled, tweak your captions, swap thumbnails, and push changes across channels without hopping between 5 different platforms. Imagine having a living, editable editorial board where every single clip is previewable and adjustable before it ever goes live. That is the kind of toolkit that keeps things consistent and saves your team hours of frustrating back and forth communication. Now, I don't want to act like other solutions don't have their place for specific high-end needs. After Effects and automation APIs are incredible if you truly need hyper-custom animations and have the resources to manage those pipelines. Tools like Plainly were designed to flex with data-driven templates and can produce beautiful results, but they require significant template engineering. For big telcos and pro media houses, it is worth the cost. But for growing creators, it becomes expensive, slow, and overkill. Here is the plain truth. Some solutions give you total control at the cost of massive complexity, while others are cheap but produce cookie-cutter output. Vizard sits right in the sweet spot by automating the time-consuming parts while letting you keep creative control over edits and branding. That means you can run like a newsroom without ever needing to hire a full engineering team just to keep the lights on. For the solo creator, you can record a 90-minute podcast and let Vizard find the funniest, most shareable bits for the next 2 weeks. For the sports publisher covering multiple matches a day, the AI delivers ready clips for each match the moment the final whistle blows. And for a creative agency managing social for a brand launch, you create a bank of snackable moments while your team focuses on the big picture. A couple more things people love. Vizard is affordable for teams of all sizes, and it is incredibly flexible for your specific needs. Want to license a feed of automated match highlights for your site or give clients white-labeled clips? That is totally possible. Want to integrate with your own publishing tools? Vizard's APIs and export options make it simple compared to building a custom render farm. When teams move from manual editing to an automated system like this, they save monumental time, which equates to days of work per week. That time gets reinvested into better storytelling, promotion, and actually growing the audience, which is what matters most. Engagement goes up because your clips are published when the audience expects them, and your brand looks consistent every single day. And for anyone worried about robots taking the creative edge, the AI simply handles the grunt work so humans can focus on the artistic choices. You still decide the branding, the tone, which moments deserve the edit, and how to package your recurring series. Vizard doesn't replace editors, it turbocharges them, giving them the ability to be more productive than they ever thought possible. If you are skimming, here is the TLDR. Automated pipelines in After Effects are powerful but heavy and require way too much infrastructure. Vizard gives you that same outcome of high-quality, timely clips, but with way less friction and zero need for a monthly engineering sprint. It auto-edits viral clips, auto-schedules them to publish at the right cadence, and organizes everything in a calendar you can actually manage. For creators and small agencies that need volume and quality, that is a real, tangible advantage in today's crowded market. If you want to try it, sign up for a free trial and start turning long-form videos into a massive backlog of social-ready clips in just minutes. There is no need to rebuild a pipeline or hire extra team members to start producing premium content at scale. If you are working on event coverage, plug your footage in and see how quickly you can populate your feeds with high-performing content. If you have been stuck between doing it the hard way and paying the cost, or doing it fast and losing quality, it is time to try something new. Give Vizard a spin, set one long video to auto-process, and watch exactly how fast your content calendar fills up with amazing clips. You will spend significantly less time editing and much more time growing your audience, which is the ultimate goal. Want the link or need help setting up a workflow for an upcoming event? I can walk you through the best settings for your needs. Let's get you posting smarter, not harder, and watch your content strategy finally start moving at the speed of your audience.